name is Rob Denise. I'm from Oceant Protect. I'm the sales manager for SA, WA and NT, and I'm based right here in Adelaide. Now, I've just come back from a site. It's the Brickworks down at Torrensville, and we've just done a routine clean on their StormFilter chamber. The StormFilters are a cartridge device which has a media inside, and that media takes out your nitrogens, your phosphates, your silts and oils and just general gunk. Okay, now just up the road, we also, while we're there, we serviced another GPT, and together we took out 10 tons of garbage. So the important thing about servicing and maintenance of these assets is that by removing all the rubbish in there, you're actually creating space so that more rubbish and more garbage can actually accumulate in there. If you don't do it, it just flows straight out. It just bypasses the system and goes into the Torrens River, or goes into the creeks, or goes into the wetlands, and it just creates pollution. Nobody wants pollution. So remember, if you have one of these devices on your property, maintenance is a key. Hey, thanks very much. Bye.